To maximize the life of your commercial microwave oven, the filters, covers and microwave cavity should be cleaned regularly to remove any built-up grease, food debris, or liquid stains. Please use the following steps to properly clean your microwave oven. Your commercial microwave oven should never be operated without the filter and covers in place. If any of these required parts are damaged, broken, or missing, please contact your dealer immediately to purchase replacements. Operating your commercial microwave oven without these parts in place will cause damage and will void the warranty. When cleaning your commercial microwave oven, do not use commercial oven cleaners, abrasive or harsh cleaners or scouring pads on any part of your microwave oven. These will damage the oven and will void the warranty. Only a mild soapy detergent should be used when cleaning your microwave. Before cleaning your commercial microwave oven, make sure it is unplugged. To clean the air intake filter, first remove it from the microwave oven. On the front of the microwave at the bottom right, unscrew the air intake filter by turning this knob counterclockwise. Then remove the filter as shown. To help remove any caked-on grease, let the air intake filter soak in a container of mild soapy hot water for a few minutes. Next, rinse the air intake filter using hot water. Then dry the filter with a soft cloth. Once the air intake filter is clean and dry, reinstall it on the front of your microwave oven. To clean the splash cover, first remove it by turning the splash cover knob 90 degrees, then remove the splash cover from the oven. The splash cover can also be soaked in a container of mild soapy hot water for a few minutes to loosen any caked-on grease. Wipe any grease or food debris from the splash cover. Then rinse it clean before drying using a soft cloth. To clean the oven sealing cover, first remove it by turning the holder clips to release the cover and frame and remove it from the microwave. Next, separate the oven sealing cover from the sealing cover frame. Gently pull the frame sides away from the inner cover to separate the parts. Wipe any grease, spills or spatters on the oven sealing cover with a soft cloth dampened with a mild detergent solution and then rinse it clean. Don't soak the cover in detergent or wash it in a dishwasher. That will damage the cover and make it unsafe for use. Wipe any grease, spills or spatters on the sealing cover frame with a soft cloth dampened with a mild detergent solution and then rinse it clean. Scrape hardened spills or spatters with a plastic spatula. Don't use metallic brushes or sharp-edged tools, as scratches on the frame may cause the frame to warp or break during heating. To remove hardened spills or spatters, soak the frame in a mild detergent solution for a few minutes before cleaning. The antenna cover is located on the microwave oven sealing and is protected by the oven sealing cover. If the antenna cover has grease, spills or spatters, wipe the antenna cover with a soft cloth dampened with a mild detergent solution. Don't use metallic brushes or sharp-edged tools, as scratches on the antenna cover may cause the cover to warp or break during heating. To clean the oven cavity, wipe any spatters or spills with a soft damp cloth or sponge at the end of each day. For heavier spills, use mild soap and rinse thoroughly with hot water. This includes the inner walls, ceiling, and ceramic tray of the microwave oven. The inside of the door should also be wiped clean each day. Once the oven sealing cover and its frame are clean and dry, fit them back together as shown. Make sure the antenna cover in the microwave oven cavity is clean and dry before replacing these covers. Reinstall the oven sealing cover as shown, and turn the locking clips to hold it into position. Then reinstall the splash cover onto the ceiling of your microwave and turn the knob to lock it in place. The oven cavity walls, ceiling, ceramic tray, and inside of the door should be cleaned every day. The splash cover, oven sealing cover, and air intake filter should all be cleaned once a week. This will help prevent any food or grease buildup in the unit that can affect its performance and shorten its life.